Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So today we have lots of trail building to do. It's 6:30 in the morning. I've just been for a run. We need to get out the tools, get out the Kubota and hit the tracks. So this morning the outback is looking pretty cool. Okay. Here we are with the Cocoa Pops at the shreddage location. I'm feeling kind of snacky today, so. So here we are with the frog check. Spectating Sean Toms.
Alright guys, it's time for the very first tyres on the local shreds burn. You guys ready? Drop in.
Second sendage. Brap. JS Cruise. Dropping in backwards cap.
The first quarter sendage. What are they called?
I just sent the quarter dozen cent. Sheesh. I don't have any more bread, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Bread horse. He's gonna ride the berm. Subaru Outback rides berm. Here we are at the bermage location of Doom. Sean Toms, Tim McSweeney, and JS, whatever I am, have been working hard on the berm, ready for a shreddy.
Bye.
Oh. Thanks Tim McSweeney's dad for the hat. All I can say. Thanks Tim. We weren't talking to you by the way. Yeah. We're going to try and video the boys. Send it. He's got ready with speed and power. Steezage. Yes.
Spot straight.
Timmy, thank you for having us so much, sir. We owe you so much. Thank you.
This berm was my gift.
Okay. You must shred it, and you must make some local shreds content on it.
And also the trails up there, and
the ones all the way over there. Yeah. This is an insane day, and insane 2 days. Yeah. We're gonna cut the trip early, head home. We're gonna go to Timmy's mum's place and say hello, and then leave. Cool. Thanks for watching, boys. Cheers. We find ourselves at the Creek of Doom. There is a mud pit right there. Someone has done some skiddies. Holy stees. We are here in the mud. I don't know if the Outback will make it out, but oh well. Here's the Subaru tackling the mud pit of doom. Here's the bike rack gonna scrape. Handles it with ease. We are following the boys, sending it to to Tim's mum's farm, and then we're going to get out of here. They're chilling at a solid 30 kilometers per hour, I would say. That's pretty powerful.
Hey guys, it has come to the end of the video. As a special segment, I'm going to be interviewing JS here. JS, there's been some rumours in the mountain biking community that we're going to see a return of the JS brand. What are your thoughts on this?
How did you guys hear this? Rumours?
There are many rumours, but I can't tell you who my source is. I'm very sorry. But I have heard it from a few very trusted sources.
Are they locally shredded?
No comment.
Okay. Well, all I can say is I'm waiting for Santa to bring me a new bike so that I can cruise on it and also Kona wish for the day that I can shred again. I'm not going to lie.
Your speech sounded a bit slurred there. I wonder if we can pick up anything from the way that you said those words.
I don't think you can.
Okay, cool. Do you have anything else to comment on the return of JS? Anything in the future?
Look, about 29 days ago, I was thinking, damn, I wish I had tubeless tires, and damn, I wish I had carbon. And I was like shoveling some with the Farben Kyber shovel, and I was like, what if I had carbon fiber again? Right? Well, all I can say is I endured the trail that we rode today. It was very sick. I very enjoyed it. Endured.
Me too.
Doesn't make sense.
And I don't think I can pick up anything else from the way that you said those words.
No.
Alright, thanks for your time, Josh. It's been a pleasure. Alrighty guys, we've just left Tim's farm. We're heading home in the outback on the Cash Dirt Road. Josh, can we expect a safe drive home?
Of course.